Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the material you actually need. Pick 10 to 30 high-value papers and core reviews, then sort them into thematic folders so Notebooklm ingests contextually. Once done, open Notebooklm and upload the grouped PDFs and notes. Make sure file names include year or theme for easy reference. Now write 3 focused goals. Identify gaps, synthesize findings, and extract citations. These will steer prompt behavior and reduce aimless summaries, so state them plainly before you ask any questions. You should now craft stepwise prompts that go from broad to specific. First, request a concise overview of each theme, then ask Notebooklm to synthesize contrasts and common methods. Once that baseline exists, instruct it to produce a table comparing study designs, sample sizes, and key metrics, and to list strengths and weaknesses. Make sure to require inline citations and direct quotes for any claim you will reuse. If the output is noisy, refine instructions with length limits and desired headings. You finish by exporting Notebooklm outputs into your workflow. Copy summaries, download tables, and export citations to RIS or BibTX for your reference manager. Then validate critical claims by spot-checking the original PDFs. Ask for verbatim quotes and page numbers to confirm accuracy. If you encounter hallucinations or missing citations, rerun targeted queries that name the specific file and phrase. Request verbatim text and ask for confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.